the Ninja 500. Oh yeah. Whew! This Ninja 500 is nice. It's buzzy in my under parts. Let's make sure I'm braking on this. Oop. Man, this thing is small, super light. Let's go, homie. Not used to it. I can't hear the engine at all. I can feel it. Yeah, it's really nice and upright. I like sitting upright more. I mean, this is not sport touring upright, but it's pretty damn close. Arms are down, a little bent, but not way down. Legs are a little scrunched up higher than I'm used to, but I ride a BMW K1600GTL. I also have a Z900RS, which is really relaxed sitting position, like both of them are like sitting in a chair. Dragging that foot. Let's see. No leg down. Made it. Yeah, super easy to balance this thing. Clutch is really light. Like I said, it's a little more scrunched up than I'm used to, but not unrideable. To me, a lot of those sit on a lot of those sport bikes, and they're, you know, they got the rear sets, and my big ass feet won't fit in them. This is comfortable. I could see riding this for a while. It doesn't feel, I don't feel, at 6 foot, I don't feel all super scrunched up in it. Like I said, 32 inch inseam, 220 pounds with gear on. This is nice. Definitely a lot buzzier than I'm used to, but I could live with it to take out on the weekend, just cruise around. And I'm an experienced rider. I've been riding over a decade. I hate when people say that, oh, these are beginner bikes, or that's a beginner bike, and it's, you know, you're gonna outgrow it. So few people outgrow their bike. I guarantee 90% of them didn't outgrow anything. They just wanted more speed, which is fine. You know, I like having fun. I got goddamn 6-cylinder 1600cc bike. It's fast. It's fun. It's fun going fast. I don't hate it. Stop sign. I mean, they're sticking stop signs. Yeah, I got a lot of room on this thing. But yeah, I'm looking to get one of these. I want to get a I'm looking at getting one of these. I want to get a 400 used. But these are such a good price. If I see a 500 with the deal on it, I might have to pick that up. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh shit. I'm so used to riding these heavy bikes, I haven't ridden a light bike in a while. My Z900RS is, I think it's about 500 pounds. My K1600 GTL is 750 pounds supposedly, probably close to 800. Come on guys, let's get some lean on Prius, whatever the hell that is. Yeah, so these are, I don't know what these are. I think they're like 360, something like that. But it feels really nimble, and that's what, you know, people saying they're gonna outgrow something. You're getting a lot of power when you move up, but you're gonna lose that lightweight a lot of times. And that's what's nice about these, as far as I can feel already. It's lightweight, keep your momentum up. I mean, I've had no problem with the power so far. There's nothing holding me back except the traffic. Come on guys, I can hit it, somebody please. Didn't even try the mirrors. Come on, let's see. Let's see, $7,000. Looks like it goes up to 10.5. Can't fucking see. Eyes on the road. Oh yeah. Yeah, the only thing so far I dislike about this is the sound of the engine. I don't mind the engine, I like it. Feels like it revs quick, it's ready to go. Definitely don't feel like you're lugging it. But I wish I could hear it. Kind of feels like a I'm also wearing earplugs, but I'm sure that wouldn't make a difference. Sounds like a vacuum. But I've seen people put on exhaust, even a slip-on. It'll help it out a lot. Yeah, I'm looking to get one of these. Like I said, I'm an experienced rider. I have fast bikes. I mean, I don't have any hyper bikes, but K1600's got a lot of power. But it's fat. Yeah, there's something about the nimbleness of this that is really, really nice. I've been looking at getting a Honda Grom, or really a Honda Monkey, because I like the styling of the Monkey. But as I was looking at it, like, for around the same price I could get a Ninja 400. Now after riding it, it feels like a no-brainer. Has that lightweight and the nimbleness I want, that fun throw around factor. Just has it. It's really nice. I really like the Honda Monkeys, the Groms. I love what they're doing. Sometimes the price, just for $4 or $5,000, getting a Monkey, a 125cc, when you could get this for same price used. Ugh, it's a tough sell. Somebody's got to twist the throttle. Don't brake, hit that shit, homie. Oh. They're way down there. This guy riding the brake. Hell no, this is a roller coaster. Whee! Anyway, I'm at Laguna Seca. When I get off this bike, the super stock 1000s are gonna start. Watch out. 5-0. Here, should I tap my head to him? Which way we going, homeboy? Watch out. Cops. In closing remarks, amazing. Really fun. For the price these bikes are, it's hard to beat. Oh, and we get to go off-roading. Oh wait, that's not off-road, that's just dirty cement. Damn. We're ready to rip it. Fall down. Break my leg on camera. Ooh. And off the jump.